I want to make slime and jump on the trampoline, and I want to paint Hello Kitties, and I like the Hawaiian Hello Kitty a lot, and I want to make watermelon that looks like Hello Kitty.
You heard her birthday wish loud and clear, so Dad and I went full-on party mode. The first stop on our list, Ross, where we snagged this awesome canvas set. I busted out my Cameo to cut out some cool stencils, and then I whipped up a vinyl named banner. Okay, so I forgot the transfer paper, so the vinyl just went rogue on the canvas. My bad. Next up was the piece of the resistant, a DIY coconut tree made from pool noodle wrapped in a sandwich bag. Well, many sandwich bags. Sounds wild, right? I stuffed a curtain rod inside for stability. Because third time is a charm, folks. I painted a Hawaiian Hello Kitty to match the vibe. I ran to the grocery store the day before to order the cake. Luckily, the Dollar Tree was just next door, so we sprinted over for slime making supplies. Because what's the party without slime? We blew up a ton of balloons and crafted not one, but 2 balloon garlands. We toasted in some tissue paper hibiscus flowers and some Amazon leaves for the tropical flair. The watermelon got a Hello Kitty makeover thanks to the cookie cutter, and the pulled pork station was all set with sandwiches and grilled corn. The hubby made the Hawaiian shaved ice like a pro, and I was feeling extra creative, so I made some jello pools with mini umbrellas, gummy bears, floating like tiny vacationers, touristy and all of that. The candy screwers, chip station kept the snack game strong, and we decked the backyard and trampoline with decorations, including a massive 14-foot trampoline garland. But classic Washington weather had other plans. It rained cats and dogs, washing out most of the outdoor fun. No worries though, because the indoor games kept the party vibe alive and kicking. Was it a birthday success? Absolutely. Chaos? Oh yeah, definitely. Fun? Off the charts. I think this was a success, and my daughter was pretty happy to see all her friends before she's gone for the summer.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear JD. Happy birthday.